You go and hit that subscribe button. We do release a short or video almost every day. Hey, Sneakerheads, how you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, go and give this video a big thumbs up. We're trying to get this video to 100 likes.
No, we're not trying. We're going to get there. Trust and believe. That's right. Hey, we got to trust and believe that, because what we're doing out here is giving y'all serious content with the message. So we going to get there, my brother. Every day.
No days off.
Every day. Hey, no days
Putting in that hard work.
That's right. Putting in that work to get them the info. Hey, we sneakerheads. We sneakerhead, and we brothers, right? Hey, and y'all sneakerheads. So drop us a comment down below. Hey, check out this video right there. That's our top one.
Yes, sir. Moving on. We got that weekly heat, baby. That weekly heat.
Yes, sir. That weekly heat, baby. That weekly heat. Off. Hey, they got those 13s, right? Those 13s coming out October the 2nd, right? These are what we call them, baby kids. This is for the baby kids, for the grade school, little kids. Hey, we guys go ahead and say it. Like if that, they telling us that we need to be more ourselves.
Yes, sir.
Hey, be ourselves. They baby kids, right? The 13s, right? They come out. Hey, the color is pretty dope. I like the color presenting that Halloween coming up. But I am a fan of those 13s because look.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. Yeah. So in saying all that, hey, I'm rocking those. What you got, my brother?
As for me, I'm dropping those, whether it was grade school or adults. Not rocking that purple. It's just a little bit too loud.
No.
I do like the 13s too myself, but because I got them UNCs.
Yeah.
That was sitting last December.
Okay, right. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you truly believe that purple represents royalty.
Yes, sir.
Okay, yeah, just drop a comment down below. Hey, so what's up next, my brother?
So on 4 October, we do have the Jordan 1 High M&M. That's what I call them, M&Ms. The M&M stand for multiple materials. This is a play off Craft series. It does have extra material throughout, and you see that oversized swoosh with the extra material on it. Well, is on the wings and on the toe box. This is a clean colorway, in my opinion. I wish they would have dropped this in the spring or summer. I don't think these shoes would do well in the fall. And this is also a women's shoe only. This does come in white, sell coconut milk at a price of $155, which is a lot lower than normal. So I'm kind of surprised at that, meaning that they're giving you this multiple material, like the sides is going to be canvas. So that's one of the things I do see. I noticed that the toe box is still leather. The side panels are canvas, as well as the upper back area where the heel is at is also made of canvas material. Let me know in the comments, sneakerheads, are you rocking these or dropping these? As for me, I'm rocking that colorway. I do like the color. I just wish they would have dropped at a different time period. I don't see these doing well because of the season, but I am rocking these. How about you, my brother?
So, I'm a one fan out the gate. I represent. Hey, and I prefer them calling those like 3D, some type of name like that, because with the extra material they put on this shoe, hey, you ever seen them? They said, pizzazz. Pizzazz. Right? It's coming at you, right? So they had to add, more, material for that. Right. So I get it, but I'd rather them just went ahead and call it what it was. Right? Because I know they be listening. They follow us. They just don't tell us, because if you check out that video right there, you heard it first from the Sneakerhead Bros. And next thing you know, they did it. But my question is, did they give us a like? Did they give us a thumbs up?
Yeah, Nike, I know you're listening. Don't give us a like. Make a comment down there.
Right.
Look, I'm representing you today. Look, Nike, all day long. We pick a brother up, man.
Right. That's all
we out here promoting you. Why can't you give back to us?
Hey, bro.
We ain't asked for much.
Just a thumbs up.
Just a like and a thumbs up.
That's it.
Too easy.
That's it. So in saying all that, all right.
Yes, sir. So finishing off the week, what do we got, my brother?
Hey, we got them Jordan 6, right? That black aqua, you know, those right there is a shoe with that purple in it. You know me, I'm all about that royalty. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you rocking that purple. So I'm just gonna keep it short and to the point. These are a men's pair, right? $200 is the asking price. And saying all that, I'm rocking those. What about
For
you?
me, I like this colorway a little bit better, but I'm still dropping these. I do think it's a clean colorway. Maybe they came back in the day. It does remind me of that Charlotte Hornets when Grandmama used to play back then. Larry Johnson, you know. But I want these thick heads going in cotton. I expect these, like all the stickers, to go on sale. So I recommend to wait and get them for discount a later time. Or, you know, just go ahead and pull the trigger if you want them right up front, but they should be easy to get.
You love content like this? Hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
hey, bless others. Peace.